So now, since I did the diameter reduction here primarily by phasing in two parts, I can show turning instead here. So instead of phasing and going in like this all the way in, I can do turning here, which then will be like I go in here and then go in, out again, and in, out again. So, and then I just have to clean up when I get down there. So I set up for that instead now. 5-0 here would be like this. I think like this, okay. And so for this I have to take in around 8 here. X would then be 26, so to give it 27 then. Diameter reduction, I mean I should just clean up until the center, 27, and then here I would need to set 8, so just be conservative and set 7.5 then, like so. Okay. And now we're good to go again. Let's see, I run the spindle up. Likes to give me the idea of 54 passes at half a millimeter. So of course automation here is nice. Okay, you can check here also. I'll go in 27. That's correct, because then I'll end up in the hole in the middle, and I'll take it 7.5 millimeters in. So that's okay, but of course taking a while here. Increase the speed a bit. 400. This is 3 or 4 RPM. And you see it start close to center. 10 more passes to go. So I'm on the last roughing pass now, so see if I have miscalculated, or at least I won't make it, so I can just stop it. Of course it retracts. And I can set it up again, just, but in this case I can also then do it manually, I guess. So I just do this here, and I take it manually. And I can, I guess I can trace. That's the most easier. So now this is rough turned here, and then I will mount it in the chuck and the ML10 on the spindle, of course, and then do the rest of the operation. The main thing here was to show how this operation with the automatic facing and turning was done here on the ELS, the Rocketronics ELS4. And here we have a nice color screen with the turning parameters and everything easily laid out. That is compared with the ELS3. You also have a, let's say, a basic version of the ELS4 here, which doesn't have this nice color screen, but retains most of the other parameters. And by chance I have one of those here. So this looks like so. It's a basic version of the same. And on the rear, in the rear, we have the same here. So here I talked about the possibilities, for example, for the E-stop here, which is nice here, because on this one, if you have a crash, so to speak, which necessitates that you push this E-stop, you have such a situation where you then have to, of course, undo this and then hit stop to cancel that again. And that's, of course, best also then connected with the VFD. And in that case, you can control the RPM from here. And it also allows you with this constant surface speed. All this is set up here in the parameters. So for example here, this E-stop active here, and there's one more here actually. I set that yes, you can set it no also, and then there's a lot of different parameter settings here, also for the constant surface speed. And here is the, yeah. And then now what I can do here, I can measure the distance I have left here by just doing the slow jog here, or a fast jog. And I can ascertain, let's say I want to go this way here, then so I'm clear here. And now I can set or see here how far I've reached on the display. So just in reality use this as a DRO, which appears to be 12.44. So that means that I will set this set P here, go down and set this to the same 12.4 plus, let me see, how was that again? Function, press and turn. Okay, 13, no, that was 13. 12. Minus 12.44.